The saga continues. We finally got the GE technician out here today, and he's replaced the gasket. Sadly, now, this door latch is not doing right, and the machine, it's cutting itself off mid-cycle. So, it's still not fixed. And I don't know what's going on, but the machine's shaking like crazy now also. It's putting a vibration through the whole house. That's how bad it's shaking, and it never shook like that before. And it ain't because of the loads off balance or anything. It's just not doing right, and it's making more noise than it did before. So, yep, the machine is right now just about 7 months old, and it's just a piece of shit. It's a GE-made profile piece of shit. GE's customer service sucks. It literally took us 29 days to get a technician out here to fix this damn GE washer-dryer combo. So, if you're thinking about buying one of these, I highly advise you not to buy one. This has been the biggest nightmare of any washer and dryer we have ever owned our whole life. And it's still not working. 10-year warranty. Yeah, that's a fucking joke. What good's a warranty if they can't even get a damn repair person out in a timely manner to fix it? You got 10 years waiting to get your stuff fixed, because they sure as hell ain't no hurry. So, yeah, the part was here like on February the 8th, and they didn't even come and put the part in, so the part's been sitting on top of the counter here ever since the 8th, and it's now the 18th, no, 19th, it's the 19th. So, yeah, that's ridiculous. So, GE used to be a good company. It's not anymore. Keep that in mind. They've been bought out by Haier Company. That's some Korean company that bought them out in 2016, and their quality is now total crap. Their customer service is total crap, and yeah, your clothes will pretty much just rot before they'll get somebody out there to work on it. Absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, the saga continues. It still doesn't work right. I'll keep y'all posted about it, but yeah, needless to say, we are not happy. At this point, GE just needs to refund our freaking money and pick this thing up and take it the hell out of here. Because personally, I'm tired of looking at it. I'm tired of having a broke washer dryer that cost close to $3 freaking grand. I mean, it was like about $2,700, just shy of $2,700. That is a ridiculous amount of money for something that doesn't last 7 months. So, anyway, like I say, if you're even thinking about buying one of these GE profile washer-dryer combinations, that, by the way, doesn't even dry good. It washes okay, but it don't dry good. That is, when it's working. Just don't do it. Just save yourself the heartache, save yourself the hassle. If we'd known it was going to be this kind of issue, we probably would have just bought a normal stackable washer-dryer. Only reason we bought this was space saving, so we could put us a dishwasher in the house. Yeah, because we're limited on space. But what good's it do to save space if the machine won't even work? So, anyway, you've been warned. Buyer beware. This is Merlin. I'm out. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be making that kind of noise. Seems to be getting louder. I don't think the drum's supposed to shake like that. I don't think this whole machine's supposed to shake like this either. I know this thing wasn't shaking like this when we first got it, I can tell you that much. Here we go. Look at that. There's your new GE profile washer for you. Look at that. Oh my God. That's gonna shake off the wall. Seven-month-old GE profile. It's going to just shake the house off the foundation. And the only thing that's in there right now is my wife's very lightweight pajamas. So I can understand if there was shoes and other stuff like that in there and a heavy load, but that's just a few lightweight pajamas. Oh boy, here we go. Here goes the shaky shaky. And what is that noise? Oh my God. She's breaking up! She's breaking up! She's breaking up! I'm getting the hell away from the front of this thing. I don't think a brand new washer should be going crazy like this and making a rattling noise after the technician just replaced the gasket that it ripped apart. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna set the camera on the floor. Feel the vibrations. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be making all that kind of noise. It didn't make all that kind of noise before. 7 months old. At this point, I think GE just needs to bring us a new one, or just give a complete refund. 29 days to get it repaired, and this is what it's doing. So buyer beware. You want to buy one of these things, this is what you're getting. If you don't know what the first initial issue was, go back and look at my other videos. So anyway, that's the wonderful GE profile combination washer dryer unit. If you're thinking about getting one, just don't do it. $7 months old, close to $3 grand. What a piece of crap. GE should seriously be ashamed to even sell these things. In 29 days to get it serviced, folks. 29 days. And it's still not right. Oh well, you've been warned. That's all I can do. We won't ever buy another GE product. And we were faithful GE customers. We got a GE stove and a brand new GE refrigerator freezer. But we won't buy anything else from GE. Y'all take care. I'm Merlin. This is one of our adventures, and it's not a good one. And we're out.